Stressed is not a strong enough word I would use to describe some of the people I've met recently. Does that resonate with you at all? So allow me to share with you my story. When I was a young boy, my childhood looked idyllic. At the age of 10 years of age, my father became disabled. At the age of 11, my mother died and I was sent off to boarding school, and this added to the pressure pushing down on me. At the age of 19, my father died. I was stressed, I was anxious, I was traumatized, and I was jumping from job to job not knowing what I wanted to do. At this point, I'd found music, which I found a very fulfilling career. I spent most of my time in the rehearsal studios or the recording studios, playing live. And playing live was like a meditation for me, especially when I had great musicians on stage around me and we started to improvise on the music that we'd learned. It was fascinating watching those moments reveal themselves, and it was an enormous meditation for me that helped to relieve my stress and anxiety. Unfortunately, these experiences started to disappear as the live opportunities started to dwindle, so did my career. At this point, I'd found meditation and mindfulness, which helped me to alleviate the feelings of stress and anxiety and also make me feel whole and complete again. So I wanted to give back. I started to teach in elderly community centres. I started to teach in schools. I started to teach in businesses. I met people who were so stressed and anxious and their heads spinning around and around, not really knowing what they wanted to do. I guided them back to feeling whole and complete again and to be able to think clearly. I met people who felt so isolated from this world, who were losing contact with their family and their friends. I guided them back to feeling more sociable and more content with their life. I met people in the workplace who were really not resonating with their bosses or not resonating with their workmates. I guided them back to a place of acceptance or even change. I realized at this point, meditation and mindfulness is transformational. It's not about sitting on the side of a mountain, shaving your head and chanting Om, even though I do a bit of that. It's about you transforming your life into where you want to take it. Does that resonate with you at all? So what have I done? I've created 5 very simple techniques that you can try right now, right here for free, that will help you find meditation and mindfulness. You might have tried these before, maybe not, but give it a go. It's really simple, it's free. You just click the link and do the workshop for about half an hour, and we'll see how you feel at the end of it. I'll see you on the other side.